Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ara and today I am joined by Ara and Nicole. They are also med students from the La Salle Health Sciences Institute. I had them over because you've been asking me a lot of questions about Buhay Med School. So what better way to share with you those experiences than having current med students, diba? So Nicole is actually a blogger also. So she blogs over at Chloramphenicol. Yeah, I'll link it down below. And Ara is also an officer in the APMC. So,
hey guys.
Pareho kami nun. So, we hope you like this video.
Okay, so, random to ane. So, what's one subject you struggled with?
Subject?
During med school.
Biochem.
One subject na you
One
struggled
subject
with.
lang.
Actually, lahat.
Pharma.
Comment. Sabihin mo.
Pharma talaga. Pero, what did you do para... Wala naman tayong choice. Kailangan natin aralin. How did you deal with it?
Gumagawa rin ako ng flashcards.
Flashcards.
Yes.
That's what I do as well, yung flashcard. Parang before yung mag-exam, sobrang...
Yeah.
Before, around 10 minutes before. How many hours of sleep do you get per night?
No quizzes or no exams the next day. 6 hours. Ideally the next day.
Ideally, actually 8 hours, pero most of the time, 6 hours.
Ako, personally, I can function with just a good cup of coffee and 3 hours of sleep. Pwede na. Ang tulog na babawi, ang grades hindi.
How do you study productively? Ako, I commonly, yun nga, natutulog muna ako bago mag-aral kasi hindi ko kayang mag-aral ng sobrang antok na ako.
True.
Ako, very cliche, pero time management talaga. To study productively. I actually have an Excel file. So I keep tabs of all the grades that I have, gano'n. Tapos I prioritize everything. If, some subjects are shouting SOS. So pag nag-SOS sila, then you're gonna...
Basta, kailangan meron akong output every time I study. So usually, dapat meron akong outline na mapaproduce after, or like meron akong summary, or flashcards. Pag maraming time, yun talaga.
Ideally.
What do you do in your free time? Ikaw naman.
Sleep. Eat. Yun lang.
Sleep, eat.
Sleep. Wait lang, baka isipin nila sobrang boring natin.
Extracurriculars during med.
Correct.
Ayan. So, part ako ng chorale ng med school namin. At the same time, vlogging.
Yan.
You found extra ko.
I ran for student council and I won the position of external vice president.
I would encourage everyone talaga to still try na mag-extracurriculars. Kasi akala niya dagdag stress siya, pero totoo, medyo stress reliever.
Books versus e-book. Books.
E-books.
E-books.
Practicality. Very
Accessibility.
Yeah.
Ako, books kasi gusto ko na nag-highlight. So,
Yeah.
Pwede ko mag-highlight sa ano.
Iba yung pakiramdam na hina-highlight mo yung... Okay, next. Book or transcription or notes?
Both.
All. May choice ba?
Hindi, yung pinakamalama.
Hindi pwede.
No, in first year, I would suggest read the books talaga. That's gonna be your foundation. And marami pa kayong time.
Kaya pag first year mo basa na libro.
Yeah.
Favorite subject?
Anatomy.
Ako may bias kasi medtech eh. So, patho and micropara.
So, anatomy yung first year. Second year, patho. Kahit sobrang hilang na.
Fairness.
Least favorite subject? Pharma.
Bilis.
I am.
Sorry, do.
Sorry, I am.
Ang bayad na ng least favorite. Hindi ko alam. Biochem siguro. Hindi ko kasi gets talaga eh. Parang, ito, best thing about med school. Ay, walang masagot. Grabe.
Marami kasi, marami.
You'll find people na same yung dream mo, passion, yung same drive.
Best thing about med school, knowledge na magigain mo. Kasi,
Diba?
yeah, not everyone can have that knowledge eh.
True.
Tsaka yung journey doon is sobrang hirap itself na for you, it's an achievement na already.
Agree. Worst thing about med school.
Sleepless nights.
What is the worst thing about med school?
Walang tulog. Yun.
Pag nag-aral ka na mabuti tapos wala talaga din yung inaral mo sa exam.
Ang sakit ko. Grabe nangyari yun sa akin kasi
Worst thing about med school, yung akala mo matalino ka, tapos hindi pala. Bakit nagpapaparam gano'n? Tips for future med students like me. Tanggap lang ng tanggap, bigay lang ng bigay.
Dapat madali kang mag-move on.
Move on!
Sobrang kailangan magtapos ng quiz na to. Okay, next na tayo.
Ilang years pag med school, I did a whole video on that. So just check it out. Link down below. Anong aralan studyhan nyo sa med school and you rate kung kaya? Library, study out, dorm. Pwede ba?
Depende sa tao.
Honestly, how do you cope up with all the stress?
Hindi ko rin alam. Siguro, yun nga, yung mga ginagawa namin outside med.
Yun talaga. Creative outlet, meron pa rin dapat. Yung mga activities na non-med related, very important.
Tsaka
It will help you.
Support from your friends and your
Help you so
family.
much.
Saan po na school best mag-aral ng med school?
Depende naman sa tao yun.
I think wala siya sa med school. Nasa estudyante siya.
Yun na.
Kasi we cover the same topics naman. So, it's really up same books.
So, best na mag-aral sa med school na convenient sa'yo, na-afford nyo, kung saan kayo pwede mag-aral. Go! Ayan, okay, so that's it for now. But before we end this video, Nicole, Ara, any inspiring words naman to anyone or everyone who wants to be a doctor then? Who wants to go to med school?
Actually, anyone who wants to be a doctor, pwede. Kasi nasa tao lang talaga yun. Nasa tiyaga. Kung gusto mo talaga and you have the drive and you have the resources, go for it. Kasi masaya yung experience.
So, siguro, if you have to be, parang sobrang decided talaga doing med school kasi sobrang mahirap siya. So, if yung commitment mo, so dapat buong buo siya. Kasi if your heart is not into it, your full heart is not into it, wala yung passion mo, most likely, mahihirapan ka and hindi mo siya may enjoy, which is, I think, one of the most important thing with med school na dapat, may enjoy mo din siya at the same time because mas madaling ma-learn eh. Madaling mag-learn.
Masaya ma-burn out guys.